Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the blockchain app step by step. Open the app and create a wallet, then immediately back up your seed phrase on paper. Connect to a trusted network, fund the wallet with a small amount and send a test transaction to yourself. Learn to read transaction fees and confirm addresses carefully. Practice safe habits before moving larger funds. Start by choosing a reputable wallet app from the official store and install it. Set a strong password and enable biometric login if your device supports it, and immediately write your seed phrase on paper and store it in a safe place. Only enter seed phrases offline and never share them. Fund the wallet with a small amount first so you can practice sending and receiving without major risk. When sending funds, always verify the recipient address visually, checking the first and last characters. Send a small test transaction to confirm everything works and to see actual fees. Review the gas fee options and choose a balance between speed and cost. For receiving, share your public address only and double-check it before posting. Keep records of transaction ID for future reference and troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.